Hey humans, welcome to Vlogmas Day 16! Yay! Officially 9 days to Christmas. Yay! Today, so quickly, I'm going to be showing you how I wear my makeup, and it takes me about 15 minutes, no gimmicks. And this makeup I'll recommend for people that are looking to wear natural looking makeup. I'll recommend it for people in their 40s, and let's do this. So my face is washed, I'll tone it, and I'll use the moisturizer, all made by me, Barriers. Alrighty, hang on for more.
Yeah, last day, happy Friday.
And we are here in another day. Good morning.
Ho, ho, ho.
No, come, I don't want the students in it.
Ho, ho, ho.
Yes, ho, ho, ho.
Season's greetings.
Merry Christmas. All right, guys, let's do this. Oh, did you see the sun? You need to walk. All right. You want to hang on because I promise you that I will show you how I wear my makeup. Christmas! It's 9 days to Christmas! The last day! Yes, Simon! How are you? 9 days to Christmas! Hey! Hey! Last day! Last day! Alright guys, let's go start work. What a way to start the day. Let's go to work. Alrighty, even though we know that today marks the end of work for us at my organization, you have to clear your decks. So this is me working, smacking my lips so that my lip stain will stay longer, and just clearing my decks, making sure there is no backlog. Dab my makeup so that it remains fresh. And Mrs. Adeosi came to say goodbye to me and to wish me Merry Christmas. Alrighty guys, hang on, I will show you how I wore this makeup. No gimmicks. You will love it because I absolutely did. So I have decided to come and see these people so that I will have peace in my life.
Yes,
So we need to turn so that they'll see how beautiful we are. We're the Kaduna people.
The Chongai
represented-
girls.
Yes, we're the Chongais represented in this organization. And look at the tree. The beautiful Christmas tree is covered because of the kids so that they don't take out the ornaments. Oh my God, guys, you should see this. I came right on time. Wow. So where's my please? Oh my God. It's raining Christmas package in here. Oh my God. You gotta meet these people. You've met them, right? Have you met them? No. All right, this is a fast, quick one. It's a fast and quick one. This is another Chongai sister. We're fine like that. May God bless PTA for us. Hey. We need to meet you. Who are you? Oh,
Lily of the Valley.
She's the Lily of the Valley. We're the Christmassy people. And my big sis is here. Very busy.
Hello once again.
You know.
Christmas is in the air.
It is in the the Christmas is in the Alright guys, I need to go. Why so fine? Why so fine?
Hot baby.
She's so hot.
Yes, Lily, something else.
You don't even understand the hotness. See.
Oh,
You guys take a picture.
hello.
Sis, I actually didn't know that you were. But I don't know that.
I'm vlogging. I'm a vlogger.
I've been watching you.
This is Vlogmas. So it's basically Christmas. This is Christy. She's a Jesus baby.
A lot of drama people in this office. This is one of them. See, this one. Drama
Here I am once again.
And
And it's our birthday today.
Happy birthday to you.
I thought you were celebrating, but you couldn't tell me today's your birthday. Happy
You know.
well, I told you guys, all of us in this office, we're not alright, but we're alright. Alright, just manage us like that.
Remember your early years.
Yes, this is early years, and we're always and they behave early.
Yeah, we behave early.
Remember our number is yesterday.
They're still early. Alright, have fun. Bye. Miss Joy, I'll see you in my next video. Like this reindeer heart. The band. This is one of those yes, it's gonna be on YouTube. Well, can you guys hear her? They can't hear you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Let's let her go.
So, I am usually really creative when it comes to makeup. This is me keeping my promise. So, I usually will start with sunscreen because I work under the sun a lot. This makeup started at 6:02. I prepped my lip with a lip balm I made. Then I start to apply my foundation like so. Next I spray rose water onto my brush and I dab. It looks like this, smooth. And this helps the makeup to last all day. One of the tricks. Do not forget your neck. Then I bring in eye pencil into my eyes so that my eyes will wake up. I like to use this powder palette that is also made by me all over the eyelid. Then I bring in this red color to the lid and follow that with a dark shade on the lid. Then to the brow bone, this is the brow bone, I bring in a light shade for my highlight, and then to my crease I bring this other color that is also earth tone. Blend all of that together, then apply powder all over my face, including my eyebrows, and not too much powder. Now this is the trick to my lips. Look at that, simple. In case you have problems drawing the perfect line, just do as I do. Then I bring in my peach lip stain. I'm not using lipstick. Lip stains by Barrier. I go with a darker, slightly darker shade Uyai to outline the lip, and I like to fold my lips like so that it is structured. Then after doing this, I smack like I'm doing in the video, and bring in foundation because foundation is lighter than concealer. Fold my lips together and go back and forth, This is cleaning the excesses. Dab powder over it, and voila, effortless lip line. Yep, effortless priming of my lips. Then I bring in a slightly dark brown powder to outline that. Now it's time to draw or carve our brows. Start by dabbing powder all over your brow, then you follow your natural brow line. I'll post a link for a YouTube brow video that I have, then follow that with a brow gel. And now time for highlight. All of those products, including the brushes, are made by me, yours truly, Barriers. So these are the points I usually will bring my highlight and dab dab dab, blend all of it together. This powder palette is awesome. It does literally everything. You notice I added the blush from the palette. I did my eyes from the palette. I literally did my lips from the palette. So this is me just blending everything together, and it is time to open up this eyes some more. So this is eyeliner. I apply to the edges. Don't worry guys, I will do a video, up close video, to show you how to properly line your eyes. Clean up any excesses and your tiny finger right there, pull, and that way you have your cat eyes. So apply your mascara, then to clean up any excesses from your eye pencil, bring in brown powder and blend both eyes. That's it guys. Then to finish this up, I come in with a peach powder from the powder palette to make my lips pop. That's all guys, and we are ready to go to work. That's it guys, I hope this was useful. Popping.
Everything is wrong today. Today's a rush. Here. We're done with that. I am ready, and we are going back to the office. Today is just a rush.
After Christmas, you enjoy it more. One is in the fridge. Yes. You enjoy it more, just put them in the fridge.
I'm sure you have met Miss Vera. She's our
The diesel supplier.
She made all of this for Christmas. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
I must show you, this is one thing I like to do. I like to walk under the trees. The scenery is so beautiful. It is. Let's go back. That's so cute. Let's take a picture. I love me some sun. I do. Ooh, how was that? Alrighty guys, I must really thank you for watching. I hope, let me come to the sun a bit. Look at the makeup still popping. Alrighty guys, I hope you have enjoyed the vlog so far, and I hope I'm doing something great that you like. And so, like this video, please share this video. It may just make someone's day, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about today's vlog, and that's it. You guys know I love you, right? You know, right? Mwah. And peace is here. Say bye.